Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ Part 5. I encourage you to learn, to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you. Which of the following is not a function of blood? A. Regulation of sugar levels in the blood body. B. Healing of damaged parts of the body. C. Regulation of the body temperature. D. Transportation of waste. And the answer is A. Regulation of sugar levels in the body. A somatic cell in an organism contains 24 chromosome pairs. The number of chromosomes in a gamete of the organism is A. 24, B. 12, C. 48, D. 6. And the answer is B. 12. What effect does light have on the distribution of oxygens at the tip of a plant shoot? A. Causes equal distribution of oxygens at the shoot tip. B. Has no effect on the distribution of oxygens at the shoot tip. C. Concentrates more oxygens on the dark side of the root tip. D. Causes oxygen to concentrate more on the illuminated side of the root tip. And the answer is A. Causes equal distribution of oxygen at the shoot tip. Which of the following is a modified root? A. Irish potato tuber. B. Cassava tuber. C. Rhizome. D. Corn. And the answer is B. Cassava tuber. Which of the following is the most common air pollutant? A. Dust. B. Fungicides. C. Herbicides. D. Smoke. And the answer is D. Smoke. In which of the kidney nephron does reabsorption of glucose occur? A. Proximal convoluted tubule. B. Distal convoluted tubule. C. Descending lobe of Henle. D. Ascending lobe of Henle. And the answer is A. Proximal convoluted tubuli. Which of the following organs is responsible for removing excess amino acids from body, from blood? A. Gallbladder. B. Kidney. C. Liver. D. Spleen. And the answer is C. Liver. Which one of the following would occur if a potato strip was placed in distilled water? A. Increase in length. B. Strip would soften. C. Decrease in length. D. Remain unchanged. And the answer is A. Increase in length. When a seedling is fixed on a clinostat and placed in a horizontal position, the shoot continues to grow horizontally, but without the clinostat, it bends upward. Which of the following is true about the role of the clinostat? A. Enables the seedling to receive uniform light. B. Causes auxins to accumulate on the lower side of the seedlings. C. Causes auxins to accumulate on the upper side of the seedlings. D. Causes auxins to accumulate uniformly on all sides. And the answer is D. Causes auxins to accumulate uniformly on all sides. Following are some features of lower plants. 1. Reproduce by spores. 2. Lack vesicular tissues. 3. Grow in damp places. 4. Have simple stems and leaves. Which of the following features belong to both ferns and mosses? A. 1 and 4. B. 1 and 3. C. 2 and 3. D. 3 and 4. And the answer is C. 2. Lack of vesicular tissues, and 3. Grow in damp places. Double fertilization in flowering plants refers to fusion of two male nuclei with A. antipodal nuclei and polar nuclei. B. Egg nucleus and polar nuclei. C. Two egg nuclei. D. Egg nucleus and antipodal nuclei. And the answer is B. Egg nucleus and polar nuclei. The following are products of tissue respiration in living organisms. 1. Energy. 2. Carbon dioxide. 3. Water. 4. Ethanol. 5. Lactic acid. Which of them are common to both aerobic and anaerobic respiration in plants? A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 2, 4 and 5. And the answer is A. 1. Energy and 2. Carbon dioxide. A student wanted to determine the percentage of air in a soil sample. The following measurements were obtained. Volume of dry soil equals to 250 centimeters. The volume of water added equals to 160 cubic centimeters. The volume of the mixture of soil and water equals 380 cubic centimeters. What was the percentage of air in the soil sample? A. 7.9. B. 12. C. 25. D. 34. And the answer is B. 12. The following are characteristics of blood vessels. 1. Presence of valves. 2. Thick walls. 3. Wide lumen. 4. Elastic walls. Which of the following characteristics belong to veins? A. 1 and 2. B. 1 and 3. C. 3 and 2. D. 3 and 4. And the answer is B. 1 and 3. Presence of valves and wide lumen. Mucus undergoes a sexual reproduction to produce A. Spores. B. Zoospores. C. zygospores. D. Sporangia. And the answer is A. Spores. Fins which keep a fish stable in water are they? A. Ano and dorsal fins. B. Dorsal and pelvic fins. C. Caudal and pelvic fins. D. Pelvic and pectoral fins. And the answer is A. Ano and dorsal fins. Which one of the following is correct about dividing cells at the tip of plant shoots? A. Have large vacuoles. B. Are specialized. C. Have soft cell walls. D. Have rigid cell walls. And the answer is C. Have soft cell walls. Which one of the following would contain the highest concentration of proteins? A. Blood plasma. B. Glomerular filtrate. C. Urine. D. Serum. And the answer is A. Blood plasma. Which one of the following would be observed in a soil lacking magnesium? A. Poorly developed shoot system. B. Yellowing leaves. C. Poorly developed root system. D. Yellowing of buds. And the answer is B. Yellowing leaves. What mode of nutrition is used by rhizopods? A. Heterotropism. B. Autotropism. C. Parasitism. D. Saprophytism. And the answer is D. Saprophytism. Hello, my friends. Thank you for participating in Biology Boss MCQ Part 5. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.